What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, what y'all about to tune into, man, I'm finna ride in my Pops Vet. Going down, first ride ever. Y'all can get to check that out and see that or whatever, man. It's gonna be an experience. So, man, I ain't even gonna hold y'all up. We're gonna jump straight into the video. Check it out. All right, what's good, everybody? We over here at my Pops' house. We about to take a ride in the Corvette. You got a name for this thing yet?
I had one for, I forgot what we were calling it. I think it was Silver Ghost or something like that.
Silver Ghost?
Yeah.
The Silver Ghost. I know y'all done saw it, but this will be the first ride in and stuff. So I left my GoPro. Cause, you know, we bringing Shell and Tina, we dropping them all. They spending the night over here. So it was like an impromptu ride and all of that. So y'all just stay tuned. Tune in. Like I said, I'm gonna be on the phone. Y'all see my reaction. And we'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we still rolling.
That's four right now.
That fourth gear. Y'all hit them tired. Every time he in fourth gear, it's getting on the tire. They Procharged work. It's working. It's working. How much boost is set up on right now?
I don't know what boost.
You don't know that? Oh yeah, I forgot. I told him he need a boost gauge because he don't even know how much boost he making. I mean, it's just something good to know.
I'm planning on getting one put on when I get it back in the shop. I give him to put one on.
Yeah, you good to have. It's a good reference information. But like you was saying, it ain't no straightaway, and the thing get on the tire quick. It get on the tire ASAP. Look. Hey, yo, I said, you can't, y'all know you gotta respect their power, y'all know what I'm saying?
That boost wanna come in, the tire will
start spinning bad, yeah. Tell them we know about that. Remember y'all, John Jones, it took me for a ride in my Camaro, the turbo. But yeah, this thing here is rowdy. It's rowdy, y'all. I told her I like to see it from the outside. This thing here is rowdy. Ain't no straightaways in that. But y'all stay tuned. We'll turn y'all on in a minute. Alright, we still rolling around, y'all. He done open the exhaust up, make it more free flowing. Yeah, we're on the highway down here. They do be sitting up here.
Yeah.
They be sitting up here, y'all, on the left.
Yeah, they be sitting up on the left.
Many people done got tickets right there. Everybody, what it do, man? It's a few days later. I just realized, I said, I ain't closed the video out. I enjoyed riding Pop Mustang. I mean, not my old body. I call it my Mustang. I was just looking at the Mustang. Corvette. I call it Mustang. But I enjoyed it, man. I enjoyed it. The car pulled good. The car does pull good. It definitely pulled good. That thing will get on the tires and blister. But I didn't have it planned, so I hate I ain't had a GoPro. You know, I could have got y'all a more stable view, you know, more longer video and stuff, man. But I ain't holding the phone, then storage on the phone. I was like, man, I wish I could have got a longer video. You know what I'm saying? So I knew, like I said, I And then I got to do an intro. As soon as I finish this, y'all gonna see an intro. Well, y'all probably seen the intro already. And I had the same thing on, but because the video wasn't playing, you know. But I was like, hey, this will make a good. This will be a good moment to share with the BCG fam. Cause this my first time riding in his vet. You know, especially after he did the upgrade. So I like this my first time riding. So this is a good experience. And y'all know, man, Pop, he anxious, man. He anxious. He ready to race. He keep asking when we gonna race. When we gonna race. But y'all know old Meats, I done blew it up. I done blew it up. I'm being a little extreme. It's still crank up right now. But I'm racing with Meats. So I went over there the other day and chilled with him, and he was like, "You can't use one of your other cars." I said to myself, "Nah, not right now. Next race." Cause last time I went out there, I was playing around Pop, man. Pop took it to the head. He took it to the head. I know you're gonna see the video. But if you didn't see that last race, cause some of y'all might be new subscribers, I ran him in Kendra car and wifey car, R&B. Which I know R&B is quick for what it is. But like I told her, I was on 24s too. I was on 24. I told her the day we went, I said, I'm not gonna beat him. Cause I know cars. I said, I ain't gonna beat him. I'm on 24, but I was just getting it for the content. I was like, man, I don't care. I can just get content, good thumbnail, Cutlass, father versus son, said good content. I wasn't going out there to win. I had told her beforehand, so I ain't gonna beat him, cause if I were gonna get serious, I would have put the slicks on that car. And at that time, with what his car ran, if I would have put her car on slicks and the front runners, then I would have beat the car. Cause R&B runs a faster time than what that car ran. But then it wouldn't have been fair, cause it would have been slicks versus hard tires. He had hard tire, which that car don't spin. They got traction control, cause he didn't spin a lick. So it's so many factors. But I've been racing so long, I about know what it gonna take to beat somebody, anybody. I about know what it gonna take, and I know what I'm going into if I'm gonna win or lose. But I lost that one. Like I said, that's why I ain't take the rims off. Otherwise, y'all know I would not run 24s. Not on her car. Her car it ain't slow, but compared to mine, it's night and day. But I would have put smaller tires on, or at least the 14s, the Cutlass rather than ran. But I lost that one. So let me check the time. But I lost that one. Then Pop was bragging. I said, I gotta get him for real this time. So now we racing. He done upgrading everything. I got to get him with Big Papa right here. And I really wanted to say it beforehand, but you know I had to mishap cause this car finna be a whole nother level. It already made 4-digit horsepower. But now, man, I'm telling you, the combo I got for it is finna be ridiculous. I'm gonna see how I feel, but I'm gonna be honest. With my new combo I'm putting together, I might run Pops on motor. I might just try it, cause I like to work. I like to work for stuff. I might just try it. And if I don't run on motor, I know it's gonna be one-sided, cause it would have been one-sided now. You got power versus weight, and that combo I rode in it, I can feel it. I done rode in a bunch of cars. Now I tell them would be a great match if you want to talk about a dog fight, it'll be Dolo and Pops, or better yet, L-Train and Pop, cause that car fast too now. Y'all saw what that car ran. That car went 630s. It used to go 630s all day, but it faster than that now. I done put it make a lot more power. That's why I done start pushing the rear main seal out, cause it's more engine pressure, and that is to the point where it needs a vacuum pump. So you know, for my hot rodders, you know when you start, I was already tiptoeing on the line anyway. But you know when you start getting the vacuum pump level where the engine just needed, you know what kind of power level you dabbling at then. So that's why I ain't driving now. Cause last time I drove it and made a hit in it, it's pushing the seal out more. I said, man, I got to get that straight. That's why I ain't been driving. I just been driving L-Train, cause I'm like, I got to get that straight. I'm waiting on parts on this. Can't do nothing about that. That's just, ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just some work. Just, hey, change the rear main seal out, go back to ride. And I got to put a vacuum pump. I need to put a vacuum pump on it. And I'm kind of torn between that, so I'm going back and forth. But yeah, man. But anywho, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. The race coming. It's gonna be next year though. Cause that I'm waiting on part, man. It's out of my power. I can't even get the rush on it. Y'all know me. I try to make stuff happen fast. But anyway, man, I enjoyed the ride. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.